So in frog, we are going to discuss about the respiratory system. So you know that digestive system, what it is doing is converting complex substances into simple substances. It is transported by the blood and it reaches every cell and tissues. Now what the respiratory system is doing, utilizing these nutrients and converting the nutrients into energy. For example, glucose is oxidized, we get energy. But what are the various things involved in that? So, we used to think earlier respiration means a process that occurs only in respiratory organs. Now, the understanding has increased. So, we now understand that respiration means what is taking place in respiratory organs like lungs in human beings, and every cell is involved in this process to get energy, right? Now, coming to frog, frog is a amphibious animal living on land and in water. Automatically, the respiratory system should also be adapted for this mode of life. So, it is able to carry out the aerial respiration with the help of lungs. But here, the frog is having three different types of respiration. So, the three types are pulmonary respiration, cutaneous respiration, buccopharyngeal respiration. So, being the first land vertebrate, lungs are developed, no doubt, but lungs are not so efficient to carry out exclusively entire respiration by itself. Understand? So, here it is other things like skin and buccal cavity playing a key role. So, how it is respiring with the lungs? So, that is, let us see, pulmonary respiration. So, coming to the first one, the pulmonary respiration, lungs are spongy structures, flexible structures covered by double layered peritoneum, that is pleural layers, parietal and visceral. Outer layer is parietal, outer pleural membrane, inner pleural membrane is visceral. So, having a slight fluid in between them. So, a frictionless movement for the lungs. So, anything that acts as respiratory organ should have one character very important. It should have vascular nature. What is vascular nature? Supply of blood. So, they have a rich blood supply. So, here, the pulmonary respiration carried by lungs but aided by certain muscles. The muscles that help in respiration. In higher animals like mammals, between ribs, intercostal muscles will be present, attached to sternum. And between ribs, we see intercostal muscles. Ribs are attached to sternum. Then diaphragm is a partition. These two help in respiration. But in frog, the pulmonary respiration is somewhat peculiar. Means it has to lower the lower jaw, then rise the lower jaw, like that alternately it has to do. That is with the help of petrohale and sternohale.